This is Tilly, which most of you already know. Tilly is due to have puppies any day. Hi, Duke. As you can hear in the background, Tilly's had her puppies. I don't know boy and girl ratio. There's 6 puppies. Tilly had her puppies last night. Everybody made it through the night. It is 17th of December. Tilly's doing really good as a mom. I'm going to take you in and show you. And there's the pups. Her 6 little puppies. Screaming for attention. Yeah, she was just like licking my face and everything. Now she's calling at me. She's saying, "Show me some love, Mom." Tilly, you're such a good mama. This one is a little boy. There is 3 boys and 3 girls. 1 black and white one is a boy, 1 black and white one is a girl. Somebody is just screaming in here. They're so mouthy already. At 4 days old, they're just like, "We want milk. We want milk." Today is December 26th, Boxing Day. And they were born on December 13th. They're getting big already. Now they're all nursed until they just came in from using the washroom. Their eyes are open. You had your eyes open earlier. Oh, pretty baby. Here's a pretty eyeball. What's going on, Tilly? Should we go check your puppies? And here's the puppies. I gotta lay down some more bedding for them. I just videoed a whole bunch of really cuteness of the puppies, and then I thought it was videoing and I forgot to push the video button. So here's some more puppy action. The babies are going to find the milk. They tend to sleep in piles of 3. Right now they're all awake moving around, but they do tend to go in piles of 3, I find. Me and Mike are talking about switching them out of this building and putting them back into the dog building. This is a little girl. This is a little boy. This is a little girl. This is a little boy. This is a little boy. That one's the last little girl. Puppy's first meal. So we've put them in the new building, and I've got their pan of feed waiting for them to be done nursing. Got way more room than they had. This is just this unit here is probably equivalent to the unit they did have. I've put a water dish out here for them. They have this food dish, and then they have the tray over there that they all seem to think is better than this dish. So pups and chickens have full access to this building now. Let's see if we can get in and out without Tilly getting out. So this little lady here I'm super worried about because the pig bulldozed her over yesterday. Now she doesn't seem to, oh, there she goes, now she's getting up. I say she doesn't seem to want to be moving much compared to her siblings. She just moved from one corner to another. Come on, pups. Come on. pups. You can do it. Thanks for watching the story of Tilly and Duke's puppies, and I hope to see you on the next video. We'll be talking about Horns having her calves.